Alright guys and gals, today I'm going to be talking about why I think Robinhood is a great platform. But before we start the video guys, use any of the 3 links in the description down below to sign up with either Acorns, Fundrise, or Robinhood. And if you guys do that, then you're going to be entered to win a free stock, and that stock will be Tesla. So by signing up with any of those 3 platforms, you will get a chance to win Tesla, and that's going to be done this Sunday. So sign up. 3 great platforms that will make you guys good money. So let's start off with the video guys. Why is Robinhood a good platform? Now, I constantly post videos and people are like, Robinhood, you're dumb. Why are you using Robinhood? Why Robinhood? Now, for me, I don't care of what they did with AMC and blah, 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 right? Because every other company did it. Now, people are like, Webull is better, blah, blah, blah. It's not, guys, okay? I've been investing for a really long time. I do it for a living, and I've made a lot of money from it. And I always come in as an unbiased person. I do this, again, like I said, for a living. So, I actually look at the best platforms that make me money. Robinhood is one of them. Webull is not one of them, okay? I do not like Webull. I'm sorry. They have tried to sponsor me before, and I rejected. I don't promote platforms that I don't like. I did have Webull. I had it for 3 years. I had it before it was even popular, and I did not like it. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about why Robinhood is good. Now, Robinhood, you log in, boom, you see your investment, okay? You see how much you're up and how much you're down, all that stuff. It gives you your week, your month, your 3 month, 1 year, and overall. It tells you right here your buying power, and it gives you news here. It throws articles from your stocks or things you have in your watch list. Very basic, very simple. You can keep updated on any of that, and that's really good. Now you go down here and you have your stocks, okay? Tells you how many shares, very simple, your equity and stuff like that, and how much they're worth at the moment. So very basic. That's what I like about it. If you scroll a little bit more, you have your recurring investments. You can manage them. You can put how many you want to put on each company, and you can either pause it, manage it directly from there. You put it there easily. It tells you how many are active, how many are paused, your total investment. You can create one. You can easily manage it here fairly easily, okay? Again, another positive thing. Then you have your lists. You have your easy lists that you can actually look at fairly easily and keep track of all your stocks, okay? If you want to buy a stock, you can easily just go to the stock, go get all the information that you want to get, basic information, and then you put trade, buy, sell, trade options. Very simple. Webull does not do that. They make it a little more complicated, okay? Then the thing with this is that, like I said, one thing that Webull doesn't have is that they don't have reoccurring investments. You cannot do something like that. You cannot buy fractional shares, okay? So that's one thing that I do like about Robinhood, that you can do fractional shares. And because of fractional shares, as you see here, I have fractional shares in most of my stocks. I can easily go to PSEC. As you see, I have a dividend coming up. Now with Webull, you cannot reinvest that dividend. You just get that dividend, and then you have to wait till you have enough to actually purchase another share. Here, it reinvests for you. So it buys fractional shares, which means that you can invest everything back into it. Like that, you have tax deference in the future, and that works really well to build your portfolio. It's kind of automated. So that's one thing I do like a lot about Robinhood as well. It gives you all the information right there really quickly, and it gives you everything in an easy pattern, guys. So that's one big thing I like about Robinhood, okay? Again, so far, it's a really, really great platform, okay? Something that Webull does not offer. Now, making everything easy, you can go over here. For me, I have cash available. I do have the ATM card. I recently just started putting money in there, and I put it so I can kind of use it as cash, right? But you can also have it as a little savings account on the side that pays interest. So for me, I have $79.50 in cash, and I'm reoccurring interest. So I just started today. They paid me 4 cents for the day, and they're going to pay me everything on June 30th. So I'm getting some cash back for having money in here, okay? It tells me where the ATMs are, where I can go and take out cash. It just gives me everything fairly easy. And like you see here, they've paid me interest. I'm going to be getting more this month just by having money in there. And again, Robinhood just creates a great, easy, basic platform that works really well for the consumer. Now I can go here, search companies easily, Tesla or any of these stocks. You can click on something and it gives you everything here. You could also go by country, all that stuff, and it just, again, makes things very easily. Then over here at the end, you have your account information where you can do free stocks. If you recommend people, you can try Robinhood Gold. It gives you all these informational values. Okay, you get your total value. You can do your investing. You can do drip. You can do your balances. You can deposits, withdrawals. You can check your statement history. Right here, you can check the most popular stocks on Robinhood. It gives you a list of it. And yeah, I mean, again, it makes things fairly easy and basic. And that's the thing that I do like about Robinhood a lot. Okay, you can actually add this information to your whole thing so it can make things easier, right? So it constantly keeps getting updated. And again, Robinhood just makes this so easy for you guys to actually invest and make things fairly easy. And people say, oh, well, they're shady the way they make their money. Okay, Webull does everything the same that Robinhood does. Okay, they're both commission free. I'm doing air quotes, by the way, because they do the same thing. They sell out the information of the shares and stuff like that. So again, I don't care because I'm a long-term investor here in these platforms. So I really don't care about my order flows being sold because, again, I'm doing long-term. So that means that I'm looking at it in a long perspective. Okay. And that's the thing I want to kind of mention to you guys. Okay. That Webull and Robinhood are the same in every way except the way they have their platform. Okay, but Robinhood is much more advanced. And people said, hey, Robinhood did this whole shady thing. Webull did the same thing. If you guys are not smart enough to understand that, Webull did block people from buying GME and AMC. Okay, they did the same thing. Okay, you can't just blame one company. They threw Robinhood under the bus, yes, but Webull did the same thing. Toro did the same thing. All these platforms did the same thing. So at the end, for me, I'm not looking at that BS. For me, I'm putting my money in the best platform to create money for myself. And Robinhood is the best platform at the moment for, smaller accounts, you can say. It's good for big accounts as well, but mainly for smaller accounts. For me, I trust my money more on Fidelity because they are a huge company and they're more trustworthy long term, but Robinhood can actually get to that point. So this is the reason I like Robinhood. This is the reason I do recommend Robinhood. And this is the reason that people keep saying, oh, Robinhood is not a good platform. It is. I've explained to you why it is and why it's better than Webull. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.